JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an account on your Charles Schwab. So to do this is pretty simple. So head on to the nearest browser you have or just go to Safari or Google Chrome. Search for Charles Schwab and you can open an account from there. So there's going to be a location alert, of course. You'll have to check the locations right here if it's available in your country. So let's open an account right here. So here there's popular accounts. You have your individual brokerage, your joint brokerage, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, and rollover IRA. So you want to do individuals. So this is going to be your most popular one. So next is just wait for it to load up and you will see on how it will look like. So it's pretty slow. So not all the time you'll be able to open your account, and in certain countries it won't show up. So as you can see here, you're going to start to open your individual brokerage account. So what you can do with this is going to be stated right here, and what are the costs of doing this. So it's a zero monthly service fee and a $0 account minimum. So what you need to open this brokerage is your social security tax identification number 2, your employer's name and mailing address, and your address. So you can get started right here, and you can also enter your referral code. So you want to put on your personal information from there. So here, you must be a home address in United States or Puerto Rico or US Virgin Islands. If no, just state right here. To continue your application, you must go to the international site by doing this. Because if you're not one of them, you're not going to be a part of them. So it's just simple. So here, you can view all pricing and see if it's available for you if you're going to help and try to open your Charles Schwab. So if you do, you will have to proceed with all of those. So here, like I said, tax ID number, passport, and even your utility bills for your proof of residency, employer's name, and printer here for required documents. So there you go, guys. That is how you open your Charles Schwab. It's just easy. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.